10 warning signs your kidney send you. Or something far more serious? More than 37 million American adults are living with kidney disease and most don't know it. There are a number of physical signs of kidney disease, but sometimes people attribute them to other conditions. Also, those with kidney disease and tend not to experience symptoms until the very late stage when the kidney are failing or when there are large amount of protein in the urine. This is one of the reasons why only 10% of people with chronic kidney disease know that they have it. You are more tired, have less energy, or are having trouble concentrating. A severe disease in kidney function can lead to buildup of toxins and impurity in blood. This can cause people to feel tired, weak, and can make it hard to concentrate. Another complication of kidney disease is anemia, which can cause weakness and fatigue. You are having trouble sleeping. When the kidneys are not filtering properly, toxins stay in the blood rather than leaving the body through the urine. This can make it difficult to sleep. There is also link between obesity and chronic kidney disease, and the sleep apnea is more common in those with chronic kidney disease compared with general population. You have dry and itchy skin. Healthy kidneys do many important jobs. They remove waste and extra fluoride from your body, help make red blood cells, and keep bones strong, and work to maintain the right amount of minerals in your blood. Dry and itchy skin can be sign of the mineral and bone disease that often accompanies advanced kidney disease. When the kidneys are no longer able to keep the right balance of minerals and nutrients in your blood, you feel the need to urinate more often. If you feel the need to urinate more often, especially at night, this can be sign of kidney disease. When the kidneys filters are damaged, it can cause the increase in urge to urinate. Sometimes this can also be sign of urinary infection and enlarged protest in men. You see blood in your urine. Healthy kidneys typically keep the blood cells in the body when filtering waste from the blood to create urine. But when the kidneys filtered have been damaged, these blood cells can start to leak out into the urine. In addition to signaling kidney disease, blood in the urine can be indicative of tumors, kidney stones, or an infection. Your urine is foamy. Excessive bubbles in the urine, especially those are required you to flush several times before they go away, indicate protein in the urine. This foam may look like the foam you see when scrubbing eggs, as the common protein found in urine. Albumin is the same protein that is found in egg. You are experiencing persistent puffiness around your eyes. Protein in the urine is an early sign that the kidney filters have been damaged, allowing protein to leak into the urine. This puffiness around your eye can be due to the fact that your kidney are leaking a large amount of protein in the urine rather than keeping it in the body. Your ankles and feet are swollen. Decreased kidney function can lead to sodium retention, causing swelling in your feet and ankle. Swelling in the lower extremes can also be sign of the heart disease, liver disease, and chronic leg vein problems. You have a poor appetite. This is a very general symptom, but buildup of toxin resulting from reduced kidney function can be one of the causes. Your muscles are cramping. Electrolyte imbalances can result from impaired kidney function. For example, low calcium level and poorly controlled phosphorus may contribute to muscle cramping.